Let's look today on how to install Google Earth and Google Maps. Put in place marks on Google Earth and then import those to Google Maps app on your Windows. Let's start from the very beginning. Let's start by installing Google Earth on your computer. Search for Google Earth download, then click on the different Earth versions and go to the website, and from that website click on the Google Earth Pro on desktop icon to download the app on your desktop. Accept and download the file, and after the installation is complete, go ahead and open Google Earth. Now that we open up Google Earth, let's go ahead and see how to put place mark and add a separate path and how to export that into KMZ file on your computer. Let's go to the place that we all know, the White House on Google Maps. Now what we're going to do is add a new place mark for the White House. Then we're going to add a new place mark for the Washington Monument. And then we're going to trace a path from the White House to the Washington Monument. The place mark is the thumbprint icon on Google Earth. So first let's put a place mark on the White House. Then we will put the place mark for the Washington Monument. To remove the place mark, just right click on the place mark name, then click on Properties. When the Properties window is open, then you can just drag and place mark on your window. Now to create a path, you need to click on the Add Path button on Google Earth and then just trace the path along the route that you want to go. Once you are done doing that, then right click on the place marks and the path that you drew in and then click on the Save Place As button, and you want to save this as a KMZ file. Now that you have created a KMZ file, let's go ahead and download the Google Maps app for Windows computer. Let's go to Google Chrome and open up Google Maps. Once you are in Google Maps, on Google Chrome, you want to go to the navigation bar and then search for the icon that says install, and then you want to install Google Maps. This step installs a separate Google Maps on your computer. Once you've installed Google Maps, then you want to open My Maps in Google Maps. So you want to click on your saved icon on Google Maps, and then from that you want to go into Maps, and in Maps you want to go and click on Open My Maps. There you want to go and click on Create a New Map. Here you can create a new layer for each of the KMZ file that you've created and import those in. For this you can either browse or drag and drop the file. So now I'm going to bring in my White House KMZ, my Washington Monument KMZ, and my path from White House to Washington Monument KMZ. Just remember that for each KMZ that you need to create a new layer, and you need to import those files in there. Now once you add those KMZs, you want to restart your Google Maps app because it won't automatically update. And once you import that in place, the next time you start it, and this might vary from the speed of the internet connection that you have, but the next time you open up Google Maps and go into a saved location and go to My Maps, you will find that all those KMZ files have been imported into your Google Maps, and you can use that for your future use. So here you can see, when you open up the Google Maps app, that all of your files have been successfully imported into your Google Maps. Hope this helps. Cheers.